Make your life more colorful with SOGGO Color Sprays. Can be used on multiple surfaces: plastics, metal, wood, fabric, paper, ceramic, glass, leather and more. SOGGO Color Sprays, 18 square feet area coverage. Dries in 12 minutes or less. Design colorful pots, shelves and furnitures too. Revive your vehicles by repairing scratches, color fading, peeling paints and other flaws too. Transform metal rods, furniture and fittings from dull to fabulous in no time. SOGGO Color Spray, available in 40 plus colors to choose from in different finishes like solid finish, metallic, copper, chrome and glitter. SOGGO Color Spray, a quality product from Gree. Quality you can trust.